Your Lorex DVR's default password, often something simple like admin or 123456, is a major security risk. Leaving it unchanged makes your surveillance system vulnerable to hackers, potentially exposing your footage and network. To change it, access your DVR through either the local interface by connecting a monitor directly, the web interface by typing the DVR's IP address into a browser, or the Lorex Home Stratus mobile app. Navigate to the User Management or System Settings and select the option to change the password. Create a strong password, mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols with a minimum of 12 characters. Avoid using personal information that could be easily guessed. It is recommended to write down the new password or store in a password manager, such as LastPass or Bitwarden. Test your login after making the change. Beyond a strong password, enable two-factor authentication if your Lorex DVR supports it. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code from your email or phone in addition to your password. Keep your DVR's firmware updated to patch security vulnerabilities. Check for updates regularly on the Lorex website or through the device's menu. For added security, disable remote access if you don't need it. Use a strong WPA3 encryption on your Wi-Fi network. Regularly rotate your password every 3 to 6 months. Be aware of phishing attempts and only trust legitimate Lorex communication channels. If you suspect your DVR has been compromised, contact Lorex support for assistance and consider a factory reset after backing up important footage. Also, be sure to create guest accounts to limit access and only give administrator access to the account that needs it. The use of AI in monitoring is also a growing field. Lorex systems employ AI to notify users of any weak password attempts.